Hello, beautiful soul, and welcome to this guided meditation that will help you release the weight that comes with feeling like you should have done things differently in the past, or that you should be somewhere else or somewhere better if only I had done things differently. Although there is nothing we can do to change the past, we do have the power to change this moment. So let's feel into the power that this moment has to wipe the slate clean and begin again. I'm so glad you're here, dear one. If we haven't met yet, I'm Carolyn, spiritual mentor, and this channel is all about helping you still your mind and awaken your soul while using the healing energy of horses as our guide. Before we begin, dear one, let your eyes gaze over the images of the horses who will be coming along with you throughout this meditation. Let their soulful strength and their powerful presence wash over you. Feel yourself being bathed in a healing light that is calm, confident, peaceful, and present. Horses are prey animals. They must remain in the present moment, calm yet alert, in order to respond if or when it is needed. For them, there is no yesterday. There is no tomorrow. There is only right now. Let this wisdom of the horses merge with you now as you get yourself comfortable, whether it's sitting or lying down. Follow what feels good to you right now, and then whenever you're ready, gently allow your eyes to close, setting your intention to come to stillness and letting that intention guide your body, your energy, and your breath to join you here in this moment. Send an invitation out to call back all of your awareness and attention to the here and the now. It doesn't matter how outwardly focused you were before. This present moment holds no judgment, no blame, no criticism about anything before this moment, about anything you did or didn't do. This present moment simply holds space for you to be right now. So bring awareness to your breath as you inhale and exhale. Breathe in deeply through your nose and exhale softly through your nose, inviting relaxation to wash over you more and more, softening your body more and more as you keep inhaling and exhaling like a gentle, rolling wave. Feel your seat bones against the surface beneath you, and let your gentle, rolling wave-like breath guide your energy down into your seat bones, into the surface beneath you, into the floor beneath you, and the earth beneath the floor, and further and further, deeper and deeper. Feel as a rock feels, anchored, immobile, solid, going nowhere, just being right here. And now feel your spine supporting your entire body, and let your gentle, rolling breath guide your energy up, lifting your body, stretching your spine, sending your energy up through the back of your neck, the back of your head, up to the ceiling, towards the sky above the ceiling, towards the space above the sky, and up towards the endless space above space. Held between heaven and earth, feel yourself suspended here, weightless yet grounded. Suspended yet steady. Feel that narrow space that becomes nothing but space between above and below. As you are lifted up, you are pulled down, and in between there is a space that is neither. The space where two opposites meet becomes the space that is neither. And as it is neither this nor that no specific thing, it becomes everything. This is the space of the generous present moment. It is the space where the past meets the future and expands. Allow the point where they meet to be no point at all, to be endless, limitless, spacious, generous, delicious. This space has the potential to be whatever you want. So let it be. Let it be whatever you want. Let it hold whatever you want. Let yourself have whatever you want. It's all here. You have it all. Here and now. You have it. now. Feel as you are held here. Everything is held here with you. You don't need to hold onto anything. Your past was just the path that brought you here, and it is here where your past can be transformed by love, by the support, by the spaciousness, and the everythingness of this generous present moment. Let your inhale and your exhale right now remind you that your life is nothing and everything but this moment. And in this moment, send gratitude to the vehicle that brought you here. And in this moment, receive support from the here that breathes through you now. Allow yourself to be here. Allow yourself to breathe here. Allow yourself to release here anything and everything that is not this moment. Let go of the pain that does not serve you here. Release the shame that does not serve you here. Let go of regret. Let go of guilt. Let go of wanting things to be different. This present moment just wants you to be here. Breathe here. Free yourself here. Release any shred of "if only I had." You have it now. You have now. What will you do with this one pure, precious now? Take some final moments to breathe in and out the energy that you wish to be in right now. And then whenever you're ready, come back to the room and gently open your eyes. I hope this meditation helped you lift some of the burden that we all too often carry when living with regret that things had happened differently or that we had behaved differently. Please let me know in the comments if it was supportive for you, as it really does mean so much to me to hear from you. And if you'd like to go deeper with getting out of your head and back into your heart, then I invite you to take advantage of my free 3-day mini course, Master Your Energy. You can click on the link in the description. And as always, if you received any benefit from this meditation, please show it some love by clicking like and subscribe. This helps me so much to create more of them for you. Thank you so much for listening, dear one. Have a beautiful day.